So folks, wanna see how I did it? Very, very easy. You can simply drag and drop A, B, C, D till the end very easily. So the function is already here. I will share with you quickly how you can do that. Is equal to char character you have to use, and then you have to pull in another functionality row, and in the row A65. Close both of them, you will find A here, and then drag it down till the end, and you will find everything, all the characters. Interesting, isn't it? Try it, enjoy it, and don't forget to share your feedback with me in the comment section. Speak to you soon. Till then, take care. Ciao, ciao.